Yeah, sneakers squeak on the floor. I'm right by the lane. Phone up in the air, catch your shine again. One dribble, one look, you know I'm on time. Frame by frame, I'm saving your prime. When the break comes through, I read the room. You've been fighting all day, let me change that mood. I wink, you laughed and the tension fades. One small scene and the whole place sways. Boss by Atlas TV, catch the shine, catch the...
So yun, what's up? This is last quarter na ng ating yan ang liga between Excellence and CCC. So let's go.
Lagunting Amorin ganda ng drop pass to Soriano gathers the basketball for team player to CCC. Amorin
wala naman.
on the shot clock. 8 minutes and 55 seconds on the game clock. Ako against Martinez. Ako running start. Behind the back, hands off. Louis against Fernando. 10 seconds to shoot. Aslarona. Alcaraz. Misses. Long rebound. Fernando with the ball. Amorin with the running start. Israel with the ball. Israel pa din. Vicente nilapit ng konti. For Vicente, that's what the lead is just one.
So dalawa na lang. Pinakatawa na rin sa Amorin.
Here's Dayag.
So 6 minutes and 55 seconds para sa ating last and final quarter between Excellence and CCC.
Seconds. Akop nakawala kay Martinez. Akop, turn around. Triple team. Casey out to Dayag. Shooter's gonna shoot. Bitaw lang. Sabi nga nila. Israel. Bryce na bitawan. But Israel. Second tries. Good for Israel. Grabe yung composure. Akop. Gathers his dribble. Dayag. Hands off to Amorin. Dito ulit. Humihingi ng 10 seconds to shoot. Dayag ulit. Hesitation. Dayag. Loses the basketball now on Israel. 3 against 0. Marco. For 2 points.
All na, all.
To Dayag. Cross court to Alcaraz. Aslarona.
73-70. 5 minutes.
Ganda ng laban.
So ganda ng laban.
Israel. Soriano naman.
Wala lang din si idol natin si Patigdas. Pero maganda yung laban.
Here's Akop.
Andyan si Amorin, si Alcaraz.
Passes to Dayag.
Jordan.
Hands off. Amorin. Amorin.
Corona.
Amorin. Soriano. Martinez for 2 points.
Sa CCC, si Martinez
2
ang
points, 2
gumagawa.
points lang po, 2 points. Amorin, hands off.
Dahil doon sa dalawang 3 points niya.
Amorin, nakita si Alcaraz, binalik kay Dayag. 10 seconds to shoot. Dayag! Oh, good. Martinez for the rebound. Martinez, harassed by Jacob.
Score 72-74. 4 minutes na lang.
Vicente. Passes to Vicente ulit. No, Another triple shot by TJ.
So lamang na ang CCC.
Lamang na sila dito.
Napakagandang fourth quarter.
75-74. Ako.
Uy, still pa.
Hindi nakatingin si
Still
Ako
by
doon.
Serrano.
Serrano, running start.
Woo!
Amorin. To the basketball. Amorin, lays it up.
Buti na lang, nandun sa ilalim si Slarona.
Balik ang kalamangan sa kanila. 76-75. Benitez. Benitez, ganda ng pasa. Cortez, fix. Nakuha ng foul doon. Personal foul on jersey number 20. No good. Nakuha na naman ang team kayo ni CCC. Vicente. Commits a turnover. Ba't malamot bigla?
All 76 excellence, 3 minutes and 44 seconds.
Sorry, galing where? Ako. Ball stays with team excellence. Dito. Half court.
So, Tao-Tao.
76-76.
Amorin binabantayan ni
We are
Serrano.
tied.
Alcaraz to Benitez.
Bago kasi sapatos eh.
Martinez and Acob. Aslarona and Cortez. Yan.
Aslarona against Cortez. Magpare. Aslarona. Ako, 5 seconds, sir.
5
Bawal
seconds.
po yun. Time out. Bingin na tayo mga time out. Team KFTCCC. The basketball.
Back to the ball game.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Benitez. Martinez. Fakes. Back to Benitez. Serrano. 10 seconds to shoot. Vicente. Ako, pinasi! Running start for Ako. Ako, lays it up. 78, excellence.
78-76.
KFTCCC. Benitez. Martinez.
Dalawang steal, diretso. Time out agad.
Hitting excellence. 2 straight turnovers dito. Okay tayo? Okay. Back to the ball game. Just stop by. Shoutout sa'yo. Martinez na naman. Hot hand. Can't convert. Echo for the rebound. Against Cortez. Amorin. Alcaraz, passes to Dayag. Dayag, nakita si Ako. 10 seconds to shoot. Amorin. Benitez. Nakita na naman si RRR. Fakes. Back to Benitez. Martinez na naman, wide open. Good line. Excellent basketball. Dayag with the ball. Last 2 minutes. Ako. Nakawala si Ako. Hands off. Alcaraz. Moving Aslarona ito. Grabe yung nilalaro ko sa Aslarona. Personal foul on jersey number 1, that is Martinez. Nakakuha ng foul doon si Martinez. RR Martinez. Screen from Cortez. RR. Okay. Excellent basketball. Alcaraz. Gathers his dribble. Bounce pass to Dayag. Double team. Back to Alcaraz. Nakita si Damasco. Hands off to Amorim. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside clock. Kamay, kamay. Amorim. Amorim shoots. Cortez, nakita si Martinez, babawi si Martinez! Nakuha ni Soriano! Converts for Soriano. Team Excellence Basketball. Amorim. Amorim. Grabe yung composure. Nakita si Alcaraz. Tuwas laro na. Tumingin na lang pa sa akin. Damasco. Bayag.
82, 88, 26 seconds.
That is your second personal. Pag pumasok.
Shoot! Dayan!
Free throw is good for Dayag.
Galing! Galing!
Oh, yeah.
Shoot, isa.